Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the visibility of your abilities in Star Wars Battlefront 2. So at first open the options, then move to the gameplay and scroll down to the bottom of these settings. Here you can see the abilities. On the preview it's on the right down corner. You have always 4 available abilities. It depends on the class you are playing. You can use a default without the outline or switch it off completely. I prefer to use a default because I like to see the cooldown of my abilities and what I can use while playing. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!